Playing Final Fantasy XIV and curious about FFDATA files in your game directory? These contain critical game asset data for the popular MMORPG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Final Fantasy XIV data files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a FFDATA file, even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. An FFDATA file is a data container used by the massively multiplayer online role-playing game, MMORPG, Final Fantasy XIV. It stores essential game information such as character settings, user interface layouts, and hotbar configurations. Players encounter this file when backing up or transferring their personal game settings. This file is a proprietary binary format designed by Square Enix for efficient loading and integrity. It consolidates multiple user settings into a single, structured file to reduce disk I/O and prevent easy user tampering, ensuring a consistent and stable experience for the online game client. For reliable opening, Final Fantasy XIV by Square Enix offers the best solution for FFDATA. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows may recognize the extension but cannot interpret the content, requiring game-related software. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the FFDATA file and hit Open With. Use Final Fantasy XIV if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If the FFDATA file won't open, don't panic. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, letting the game manage. FFDATA files are managed automatically by the Final Fantasy XIV game client. Don't manually modify these files as it can corrupt game data and trigger anti-tampering measures violating the game's terms of service. The game launcher handles updates, patches, and integrity verification, ensuring FFDATA files remain in the correct state for proper game operation. Next, repairing through launcher. If FFDATA files become corrupted, use the Final Fantasy XIV launcher's built-in repair function to verify and restore game files. Launch the FFX14 launcher and access the configuration settings to find the file repair option. The launcher checks all game files including FFDATA archives, downloading replacements for any damaged or missing content automatically. Finally, examining with modding tools. For research or modding purposes, community-developed tools like FFX14 Explorer or text tools allow examining FFDATA file contents in read-only mode. Note that modifying FFDATA files violates the game's terms of service and may result in account penalties. Use such tools only for educational purposes, ensuring all game modifications stay within Square Enix's official policies. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.